बिकॉज इफ यू सी लाइक बहुत सारा रिसर्च है जिसमें बोला जाता है कि दिस एडिक्शन कैन मेक यू अग्रेसिव अब्यूसिव द होल पॉइंट इज कि जब ऐसे स्टडीज हम देखते हैं उसमें ये चीज़ें सब सामने आती है कि पॉर्न एडिक्शन से क्या क्या चीज़ें हो सकती है लाइक डू यू अग्री एंड डू यू ब्लेम समहाउ समथिंग आई हैव सीन अ रिपोर्ट जिसमें ये था कि 50-60% लोग अगर सेक्स एजुकेशन लेना चाह रहे हैं उनको उसी से मिल रहा है from the porn industry and
True.
adult content.
True.
So is this like a good way as a doctor?
So porn inherently is not bad. It's what you consume and how you consume it and how often you consume it.
Yeah.
Right. So the move that the government did of banning a lot of porn sites and then it backfired on them.
Yeah.
The US had already tried it a few years back.
Exactly.
And it backfired on them as well. Because you can never actually ban something. You can regulate it. But you cannot ban it. The same thing has happened with a lot of things, you know, with e-cigarettes. The same thing has happened. You ban it, you'll find them, right? Now, porn inherently isn't bad, but what sort of fuels the whole aggressiveness and rape culture and everything is the lack of sexual education.
Exactly.
So when we don't have it, we need something to blame. So what's the next best thing? What's the thing that people pick up the quickest? It's porn, right?
It's porn, right?
And there's no, it's not a good idea to learn about sex from porn. You're never going to learn the right things, and you might just end up developing body image issues or self-esteem issues for women, for men, both.
Both.
So yeah, I think we need to implement sexual education more than look at ways to stop people from, because if you stop them, they will go out of their way to do
Exactly.
it.
There are a lot of ways.
Yeah. And very recently, I think within just a few days back, Supreme Court had passed an order of implementing sexual education in schools.
Exactly, yeah. But वो कितना implement होता है, that is the main
I
point.
mean, they've tried it before. It didn't really work.
That is the main thing कि आप कर तो देते हो, but implement कितना होगा, let's see that.
It's the parents who go against it. And parents like, हमको बच्चों को ये नहीं सिखाना स्कूल में.